Hey, what's up, XRP holders? This is live price prediction of XRP. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you any last hour. So this is live price prediction of last 1 hour. You can see here of XRP, and you can see here the changes of XRP here as plus 1.36%. This is absolutely where it's going good. So this is, I think, just buying time. This is absolutely good time for buyers. Today they are going upward. You can see here, and the graph absolutely going good. They absolutely go moving good. So this is last 1 hour. If we check it out, the last 2 hour result, I hope the last 2 hour result absolutely going good, and they are moving upward. You can see here. So this is absolutely going upward. You can see here the changes is of here, and the graph is going down, but the next 1 hour they are going upward. You can see here the last trend in the graph, they are moving start upward. So this is absolutely good for buyers. I think this is buying time. So let's see the last 4 hour result for this is live price prediction. If you can see here, the last 4 hour result is very bad. You can see here, and the graph, this is absolutely going down. So what we can say, that you can see here that at this time is the selling. But if we see the last 1 hour and 2 hour result, then they are going upward. So I think this is not a selling time, this is buying time. What your suggestion? Please comment us and click the subscribe button for latest update. Okay, I updating you any hour. Please just click the subscribe button. Allah Hafiz, take care.